maintain 4000, runway 8 kilo position and hold.
Hey, welcome back. This is Michael, your travel guide. Today's video is about the German Skihalle indoor skiing in Neuss. Skiing in the winter as well as in the summer. This channel is about hotel, flights and destination reviews. Topics like best beaches or top things to do. Any good for you? Consider subscribing. I must say I never ever stood before on skis. And well, my family convinced me actually to try it. I thought, well, maybe I'm too old for that. All kids know how to drive. Finally we went. It's bigger than I thought. You can take your own equipment or rent it all. The rentals are actually good quality and maintained well. You get a locker and can change side. Some shops and restaurants are available. However, I must say the food was not very satisfying. Anyway, they offer combo deals and then you have lunch already included. Check out the website for up-to-date deals and prices. I add a link down there in the description. I was not the only one without any clue what to do. Lots of people, young and old, trying. That made me actually feel better. There's a starter's hill, but yeah, they were really only kids. And I looked on them, it felt like that was newborn babies driving that hill. I can't go there. Then there's a main hall, 3 lifts. One goes 1/3 up. I saw, hey, that's something for me. Then there is one which goes 3/4 up. Then there is the lift going all the way up. I learned the so-called pizza position, and while going down the hill I changed my position only between pizza and being a snowboard. That was my day. Everything hurts, but it was anyway a lot of fun. I would recommend the indoor skiing actually only for somebody who knows how to ski. It's too short, too steep, and just the wrong place to learn it. I had fun, but my brother and the rest even more. If you miss skiing in the summer, go to Neuss and have fun. Otherwise, go in the winter in the Alps or any other place to ski. Don't get me wrong, I liked it and it's for sure lots of fun. But just not for beginners. If this video was helpful or you just like it, give me a thumb up. Tell me your story, when you learned and where you learned to ski. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing.